Genocide. The killing of a large group of people of the same race or community. The world condemned the genocide. Many families suffered during the genocide. Contaminate. To make something dirty or unsafe. Dirty water can contaminate food. Smoke contaminated the air. Comrade. A close friend or companion. The soldiers trusted their comrades. He greeted his old comrade warmly. Litigant. A person involved in a legal case. The litigant appeared before the judge. Both litigants presented their arguments. Confine. To keep within limits or place. The animal was confined in a cage. Please confine your comments to the topic. Condemn. To strongly say something is wrong. Leaders condemned the violence. She condemned his rude behavior. Consent. Permission or agreement. She gave her consent to the plan. They acted without his consent. Juror. A person who helps decide a court case. The juror listened carefully in court. Each juror gave an opinion. Tribunal. A special court or group that gives judgment. The tribunal reviewed the case. He appeared before the tribunal. Concealment. The act of hiding something. The concealment of facts caused problems. He was accused of concealment. Conceit. Too much pride in yourself. His conceit annoyed everyone. She spoke with great conceit. Conceive. To form an idea in the mind. He conceived a clever plan. She could not conceive such behavior. Comradeship. Friendship and loyalty between people. The team shared strong comradeship. Their comradeship grew over time. Awe. A feeling of great wonder or respect. The mountains filled them with awe. She looked at the palace in awe. Autonomous. Independent and self-controlled. The region became autonomous. She made autonomous decisions. Bias. Unfair preference for one side. The report showed clear bias. Judges should avoid bias. Brevity. Shortness in speech or writing. His speech was praised for brevity. Brevity makes messages clearer. Brisk. Quick and active. They went for a brisk walk. Business was brisk in the market. Dazzle. To impress greatly or shine brightly. Her performance dazzled the audience. The bright lights dazzled his eyes. Gradual. Happening slowly over time. There was a gradual improvement. The change was slow and gradual. Embargo. An official ban on trade or activity. The country placed an embargo on goods. The embargo affected business badly. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.